Hi there, these are the all-new OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. And I think the R here stands for reasonable, as you can get them for just $1,599. Yes, that's crazy. So at times, you want that no-frills, good-sounding earbuds for everyday use that are also easy on your pocket. Well then this is probably the one you must check out. It comes with only the necessary features like low latency gaming mode, then you also get dual device connectivity support and super long 54 hours battery life. However, keep in mind that these don't come with active noise cancellation. But trust me, you probably won't miss it at this price. Now, I've been using the Nord Buds 3R, confusing name, for over a week. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide if these are your next everyday earbuds or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging. You can see the image of the buds here, OnePlus Buds 3R. Towards the back, you can see some manufacturing details and the MRP of $1,999. So without further ado, let's quickly open it up. And right on the top here are the buds themselves. We have them in black color. Then we have the user manual that I believe no one reads. Then we have a sticker. And finally, two extra pair of ear tips of different sizes. By the way, there is no cable provided in the box, so keep that in mind. I think that's good enough because everyone is going to use their phone's cable eventually to charge their earbuds. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. So we have the ash black color and it comes in this nice boxy design which is also really eye-catchy. It's very compact, easily fits in your palm. These earbuds weigh just 47.6 grams and that's with the earbuds inside. It's really nice and well built. You can spot the OnePlus branding right on the top, matte finish, so it won't attract any fingerprint or smudges. You can spot the USB-C port at the bottom. It's really nice, clean. And let's see if you can open the lid with one hand. Yes, it's very, very convenient. You can open the lid with one hand. It's also got a really solid hinge. Check that out. You can spot the earbuds inside. Let's quickly remove them. And here are the earbuds. First look, and you can see that they come with a buds and a stem design. Matte black finish which looks really nice and premium. I really like it. You can spot a couple of microphones on them which are going to assist you for phone calls as well as noise cancellation. Each earbud weighs just 4.5 grams, so they're really light and should be comfortable to be worn all day. Overall, really nice and clean. The earbuds come with IP55 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. But remember, the case doesn't come with any water protection, so keep that dry and safe. Also now, just in case your hands are wet or oily, the tap gestures will work just fine. So that's really good. Then Bluetooth 5.4, so longer battery life with more stable connectivity. When it comes to codec support, we get SPC and AC codec support. Then Google Fast Pairing is available. Simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop up on your Android phone. Click to pair. There you go. Once done, download the Hey Melody app from the Play Store or the App Store. Here, the Nord Buds 3R would show up. Click and you're ready to use it in a couple of seconds. More on the app later. Coming to the fit and comfort. Well, as you can see, I'm currently wearing both and they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Trust me, it's so good, I could barely hear anything outside. Just make sure you wear the right size of ear tips for that perfect seal. Then we also tried shaking our heads. I mean, chakkar aa jayenge, but the earbuds will remain in place. They get a really good grip. Alright, let's talk about the sound. Well, first you need to know that these come with 12.4 mm titanium drivers and they sound really good. It gets quite loud while still maintaining full clarity. Also, the sound experience would depend upon the sound profile you choose from the app. There are 3 preset equalizer options available. Starting with balanced, it sounds exactly as the name says. It's perfectly balanced. You get that thumpy deep bass with very clear vocals. It's my go-to preset, works for every kind of music. Then Serenade is where it lowers the bass and highlights the instruments. It's perfect while listening to classical music or just light music. Then Bass obviously is bass heavy and you get that punchy deep bass, but it was too overwhelming. It muffled the vocals a bit, so not my preferred equalizer preset. But the good thing is you can custom set the equalizer as per your preference. This will really elevate your music experience. Now, even though these don't come with active noise cancellation, I didn't seem to miss it at all. I couldn't hear anything from the outside world, while the audio still sounded great. We also use these for phone calls. Time for a quick demo. So the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the OnePlus Nord Buds 3R. This is how you would sound to the other person when on a call. Each earbud comes with 2 microphones which cancels out all the external noise, making it ideal for phone calls indoors as well as outdoors.
However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback with us.
Then these also come with tap gestures to control the audio. You can change the tracks, you can pause play the music and even change the volume. Yes, you can also custom set each gesture of each earbud separately from the companion app. Always handy. Then we also get dual device connectivity support. So here you can see I've connected two phones at the same time. Similarly, you can also connect your tablet or laptop and along with that your phone. Now for example, I'm watching something on my tablet and you receive a call. You can answer it using your earbuds, talk to the person, and once the call ends, the audio from the tablet will resume on the earbuds. It's so cool. When it comes to latency, OnePlus claims 47 milliseconds, which is actually next level. We turned on gaming mode from the app, it drastically reduces latency, and you can easily play games without any audio delay. Trust me, it actually felt like wired audio. It was so good. Similarly, while watching movies and videos, no delay was noticed at all. Perfect lip sync. I can easily recommend this to be worn if you love watching movies on the go. Let's have a quick look at the Hey Melody companion app. So right here on the home page, you can see the image of the earbuds. Further below, you can see the battery percentage of the left earbud, right earbud, as well as of the case. Then you have audio effects. These are basically 3 presets. So you have balanced, you have serenade, you have bass, and you can also custom set the audio as well. Then further down, you have game mode, which you can toggle from here. Then you have dual connectivity option. You click here, you can see the devices that are connected. You can toggle on and off dual connection mode. Further down, find my earbuds. In most settings, you can actually have an option where you can set the alert sound volume as well. And you have the version number. So if there are any software updates, they will pop up here. Then you have earbuds control. So you can custom set the earbud controls of both earbuds separately and about some more information about the app. But overall, it's really simple and easy. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a huge 560 mAh battery, while each earbud comes with 58 mAh battery. Now this provides about 9 to 10 hours of music playback on a single charge, plus with the case you get about 50 hours. And all these numbers are in real world scenario. I think it's absolutely killer. And yes, it also supports fast charge. 10 minutes of charge will provide 8 hours of music playback. बस भाई अब क्या बच्चे की जान लोगे? And we all know these astounding numbers are because it lacks ANC, which again I think most people are not going to miss. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3R are an absolute banger for what they offer. Amazing sounding earbuds for just $1,599. However, keep in mind, this is just an introductory offer, so grab it right away. It goes on sale today, 8th of September, and is available in 2 colors. Make your pick. I'll share the links of both below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even 2, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.